my dear crafters, today I bring an invitation for you. I have created an online course and I teach actually three things in this class. One of them is for the first time I created something like this. You might have seen a little purse that kind of looks like this one from last year, but it's not the same use. So this one is for lip balms. So these are great gift for Christmas, for even weddings. You can make this all, silver and white and emboss it, and even for weddings to put on the table, for your guests, or if you have someone who comes over to your house for dinner, you can say thank you for coming. But this is a beautiful, beautiful project that I'm going to teach. But not only that, I'm also teaching you how to make these little charms, how to create charms that have pompons in them, because you can use this in so many different paper projects. So that's one. Here's another one. And so I teach you how to do that. And also I teach you how to make, let me show you the second purse that I'm going to teach you in this class. This is a little bit bigger, but you kind of gonna get 2 for 1. So you pay for one class and you get 2. So let me get some more here. I made some Christmas related, but some that were not, just so you know that it doesn't have to be Christmas. Think of any occasion. This is great because what you have inside is, let me look at this one. Look how beautiful this one turned out. I often say this here, it's all about the paper, but also I close it with Velcro, and inside is a gift card holder. Look at that. So it's very, very simple to make. I will teach you how to make these little bags here. So this is for any occasion, really. For birthdays, for Christmas, use all the papers that you have at home. Look at how I love this paper here, so I decided to use it. It's great, of course, for Christmas, but it's an all year long gift that you can, birthdays, how many birthdays do you go to and you give gift cards, right? So there you are. That's what the class is. You're going to learn how to make both of these bags. The small one with the chopstick and these big ones here that come with a gift card inside. So I really encourage you to enroll for the course. It's very, very inexpensive. It's $9.99. So it's more time spending together. And of course, I am very thankful if you do that. It does help support my channel. I need to make some money with this channel, and that's the way that I'm kind of trying to see if that works. But I would really appreciate it if you took the class, and you have lifetime access to the videos, and it's $9.99. So it's a good price. I may raise it in the future, so it's a good opportunity to get the low price, okay? So that's it. 2 bags, 2 for 1, 1 class. Go to the description of the video below, and you're going to have a link. You just click on that link and you can enroll for the class, okay? It's time for Christmas, time to think about giving gifts. So that's what it is. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it.